Hey dog lovers! Today let's see how much do you know about dogs. Let's solve this dog quiz. Ready? Let's go. The most commonly domesticated dog, it is a toy-sized dog with a double coat and feathered tail. The answer is Pomeranian. A strong, agile, well-muscled, alert, and full of life dog. Its coat color is not known until it's shed its puppy's coat, but generally it is a mixture of black and gold. They are famous for their ruby, thick tails, pointy ears, and wolf-like appearance. Subscribe. The answer is German Shepherd. It is a very new breed of dog. They are generally medium-sized animals with a mid-length and curly coat. They tend to be very energetic dogs and require a good deal of exercise. The answer is Golden Doodle. This dog is bred originally as a gun dog. It is famous for its role as an assistant dog for virtually impaired and autistic people. It is large and muscular with a short, dense coat, a broad head, brown or hazel eyes, strong jaws, and tails thick at the base and narrower at the tip. The answer is Labrador. It is a breed of dog with a wrinkly, short-muzzled face and curved tail. It has a fine, glossy coat with a compact square body and well-developed muscles. The answer is Pug. A non-sporting dog that originated in Tibet. The answer is Lhasa Apso. It is a mixed breed dog that is a cross between Cocker Spaniel and Poodle. The answer is Cockapoo. This breed of dog was originally bred for hunting hares. It is a medium-sized dog with short, muscular legs and a pair of long dropping ears. They are long in the body and are equipped with a short and smooth coat with rolling loose skin. The answer is Basset Hound. A large dog noted for its black and white spotted coat. The answer is Dalmatian. A large breed of German dogs which are one of the best dog breeds. Subscribe. The answer is Great Dane. It is an active, good-natured sporting dog that was originally used to hunt woodcock. The answer is English Cocker Spaniel. It is a short-legged, long-bodied, hound-type dog. The answer is Dachshund. It has a muscular and stocky build, a short shiny coat and a long powerful tail. They are very loyal and affectionate dogs and highly energetic and enthusiastic when it comes to exercise. The answer is boxer. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.